The 2024 Ofala Festival of Idegwu, 3rd of Achina in Agwata local government area of Anambra State, will hold on Monday, 30th December 2024 at the palace of the traditional ruler of the community, Igwe Godwin Nnemeka Obiora. Ndem Kalu reports that this was announced during a press briefing in Achina.
2024 Ofala Festival of Achina. Here it comes.
With the theme Achina to the World, the 2024 Ofala Festival of Idegwu the 3rd of Achina is to celebrate the 14th year anniversary of the enthronement of Igwe Godwin Nnemeka Obiora as the Idegwu the 3rd of Achina and his 4th Ofala Festival. The festival, which should have been celebrated annually, was amended by Achina Town Union to be celebrated every 6 years, while Idegwu remains a 3-yearly event. Hence, the celebration of the Ofala 6 years ago in 2018. The organizers, who highlighted the historical perspective of the event, disclosed the reason for the celebration.
The Ofala event of this year, we are not only celebrating our God-given royal father, we are also celebrating the dividends of having stable leadership in both the town union government and the royal institution. We are celebrating our return to the counted in the Committee of Communities in Agwata local government area, with a network of roads undertaken by the government of Professor Soludo to uplift the town. We are celebrating the establishment of the only Catholic university in Anambra State, Peter University in Achina. We want to tell the world that we are back to take our rightful place in Agwata local government area and beyond. The dark days are over and Achina has come back in full force to take back its first position in all things.
They noted that the event will be an opportunity to honor deserving individuals, to empower the people, among others.
Our friends, well wishers, our in-laws, Umu Igbo, Umu Nigeria, and the whole world to come on the 30th and witness the presentation of culture and traditions of Achina in real time and in real life. So we're invited. You are going to be safe. We have made all arrangements for security and we'll make all arrangements for everything. It will be marvelous, well entertained. There will be, for the first time in history of Southeast, there will be a road show, a carnival. In the first history of East Southeast, there will be a carnival road show starting in the morning of the 30th.
Ofala 24. You can see how organized it is, and from here you can also believe that on the D-Day, we have put everything in place to make sure that the organization is done properly. And for the people that are coming, that will be coming for this Ofala, honestly, nobody will come and regret visiting Achina at that time.
They also reassure the people of adequate security in and around Achina, as there will be lots to eat and drink.
I tell you authoritatively, nobody has ever been kidnapped in Achina since all this nonsense is coming. And nobody will ever have any security challenge in Achina.
The 2024 Ofala, which comes up on 30th December 2024, will attract sons and daughters of the community from diaspora and people from all walks of life. From Achina, Ndem Kalu, NTN News.